Sabi ko na nga ba, saglit. Tatawagan.
You do not have enough load in your
Wala
account
pang
to make
load.
this call.
Tara na, sa Cebuana.
Nay! Ipapadala rin ngayon yung nina ko. Nasa abroad yung pabili ko ng school supplies. Oh, talaga? Tara sa Cebuana. Ay, hala, saglit. Saka na natin kunin. Kailangan ko palang bayaran yung kuryente. Mapuputulan na naman tayo ng ilaw.
Sabay mo na, Nay. Sama mo na lang ako. Tara sa Cebuana.
Ante! Ante! Samahan mo ako. Kailangan ko mag-cash-in. Ay, naku. Sumabay ka na sa amin. Tara, sa Cebuana. Hay! I-deposit mo na lang sa account ko yung allowance ko, ah. Mayaman ka? Pasukan na, Nay. Ano ka ba? Sige. Ipasibuana ko na. Sama rin ako. Kailangan ko magdadala ng pera sa probinsya. Lahat na lang, inasa nyo sa Cebuana. At least makakatipid tayo dahil lahat ng pera padala nasa Cebuana. Tara at mag-transact sa over 3,000 branches nila nationwide. O, di ba pera sentral ng bayan? Oo nga pala.
Magchichismisan pa eh. Tara na sa Cebuana.
Walang yang ulan. Hindi na tumigil. Bumabaha na dun kina Torre.
Oo nga, Nay eh. Bumabahan na nga. Nakikipagchismisan ka pa rin. Ang tagal-tagal mo dun, Nay. Akala ko nga, nakidnap ka na eh.
Ano ka ba? Hindi na ako makikidnap. Ang bata lang yun, kaya nga kidnap eh.
Ah, ganun ba yun? O di ano na lang. Old nap o kaya chismosa nap.
Perfect! Galing! Ganyan yung natututunan mo sa school.
Eh di ba nga may bagyo kaya walang pasok so wala rin matututunan. Sige na nga, happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Eh, nakalimutan ako bitbitin! Ay, Duday! Nakalimutan ko bitbitin yung ebab kina Norma. Kunin mo muna saglit.
No way! Suspended nga yung klase eh. Dapat suspended din yung utos.
Suspended! Gusto mo i-suspend kita sa pamamahay na to habang buhay? Tapos itapon kita sa pahin kalabaw kung saan ka naggaling?
Si nanay naman hindi mabiro. Joke lang.
Sige na! Kunin mo na yung ebab! Nung may luto ko na yung sopas.
Sinaaling Norma, palayo-layo nun. Mag-iba ka na lang ng iluluto.
Yung magre-reklamo ka pa! Kapag di mo yung kinuha gagawin kong adobo yung macaroni, papakain ko yun sa'yo lahat!
Ito na. Hulyanin kasi eh.
Ang sabi mo! Kunin mo na yung toyo!
Akala ko bang iba?
Ebab nga! Ano ba sinabi ko?
Ewan.
Punta na doon! Tumataas yung high blood ko! Hala? May buntis malapit sa atin.
Wala si nanay. Paano mo nasabi, Nay? Powers ba yun ng mga marites?
Hindi! Ang sabi kasi, kapag may manok na tumitilaok ng tanghaling tapat, ibig sabihin daw nun, may buntis sa tabi-tabi.
Sabi-sabi lang naman yun ng mga matatanda eh. Sabagay, matanda ka na rin, Nay. Eh, Nay, paano kapag tao yung tumitilaok sa tanghaling tapat?
Sino namang taong titilaok ng tanghaling tapat? Wala namang ganun.
Abay, meron po, syempre. Ayan si ate, nasa pintuan.
Ay! Naku, Duday! Lumayas ka dyan sa pintuan!
Bakit?
Bawal tumayo ang buntis sa pintuan!
Eh, bakit bawal na naman?
Ay, basta bawal! Mahihirapan daw mga anak.
Teka, buntis ba si ate?
Ay, ewan ko ba? Hindi ba buntis yan? Ang laki ng tiyan. Buntis agad? Di ba pwedeng nagsamji lang tapos nabusog?
Kakapagod.
Oo. Huwag mo pinapatong sa lamesa yung sapatos mo. Malas yan!
Hala, bawal na naman yun.
Nagiging sanhi kasi yun ng pag-aaway sa pamilya.
Sus, nanay. Ayan ka na naman sa mga pamahiin mo na yan.
Tanggalin mo yan dyan.
Mamaya na, dyan na muna.
Tatanggalin mo yan o ibabato ko sa ito.
Takalimol, bakit ako sa...
Saan na ba yung pamalo? Ito na, tatanggalin na.
Hala, totoo nga yung pamahiin.
Nakakapagod.
Triple kill!
Yabang.
Pentakill! Boom! Panis! Ano ba yan? Walang ingay! Victory! Victory!
Napakagaling talaga ni Bunso. Tara, dumo tayo.
Hala! Naglalaro ka rin ito, Nay?
Aba, oo naman. Mas magaling pa nga ako dyan sa ate mo.
Oh, wow!
Tuwang-tuwa. Tingnan na lang natin kung matuwa ka pa, Nay, kapag nalaman nung ginawang Flowborn avatar ni Bebeng yung pangit mong picture.
Welcome to Honor of Kings.
Nay! Tingnan mo tong ginawa ni Bebeng! Oy!
Emotions converge in my hands.
Parang ako nga yan, ah.
Ikaw talaga, Nay! Yung pangit mong picture, ginawang Flowborn avatar ni Bebeng!
Totoo ba? Bebeng!
Opo, Nay! Kaya nga swerte ako eh. Lagi akong victory. Kasi ikaw yung Flowborn avatar ko. Ibig sabihin nun, ikaw yung inspiration ko kaya palagi akong panalo.
Galing talaga ng anak ko. Gawan mo rin ako ng Flowborn avatar ko, Nak, no?
Opo naman, Nay! Kayo, try nyo na rin gumawa ng sarili nyong Flowborn avatar sa Honor of Kings!
Ganun na lang yun. Kung makapagsabi ka na pangit yung picture ko. Teka!
Victory!
Okay, class. Bring 1/4 sheet of paper, mag-quiz tayo.
Man, 1/4? Ba't may quiz na agad? Di ba wala pa namang discussion?
Number 1. What is the powerhouse of the cell?
Hala, uy, pwede 1/4.
Number 2. Sino ang pumatay kay Lapu-Lapu? Si Aldous yun, tol. Hindi yun si Aldous, si Laila yun. Number 3 and 4. Isolve yung problem sa board. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8.
Yung papelo. Ma'am, teka lang!
9 to 10. Ano yung full name ko? Ano yung favorite food ko? Ano yung favorite color ko?
Okay, class, pass your paper. Finish or not finish?
Bakit ganyan si ma'am? Ganyan talaga si ma'am, lalo na pag walang tulog tapos stress.
Okay,
that's it for today. Do you have any question? Clarification? Suggestion?
Ma'am, may suggestion ako. Mag-take ka nitong Nighty Bright. Mapapaganda nito yung quality ng sleep nyo. Lalo't may ashwagandha ito na makatutulong para ma-manage yung stress nyo. Plus collagen na makatutulong para ma-repair yung skin nyo overnight.
Ay naku, tamang-tama yata sa akin yan.
Inyo na po itong isa.
Ay naku, salamat. Dahil dyan, lahat kayo accepted na sa quiz.
Yes!
Nagpakahirap pa naman ako sumagot.
Coming out with us tonight.
No, I don't really want to.
Okay, I'm gonna tell the whole school you're a nerd and a
why?
loser.
What?
And I'm gonna tell Natalie not to go to prom with you.
No, okay, I'll go.
Okay, that's what I thought. Coming out with us tonight.
No, I have a lot of homework
You're so
tonight.
lame now. Fine.
Okay, fine, I'll go.
Okay, that's what I thought. Let's go.
Hi, babe, I'm home.
Whoa, what are you doing?
Just wanted to give you a hug.
No, you know this. We only hug on weekends. We don't touch each other Monday through Friday. You know this. I'm claustrophobic. Don't touch, okay? It's Tuesday.
What? Babe, let's go do something.
Bro, I'm shopping Kalshi right now. Why are you bothering?
You're always on your phone. Can you pay attention to me?
You always want attention. You want attention 24/7. Dude, I just lost because of you. It's all your fault.
I'm hungry. Can we get some food?
Food again? Bro, you're always trying to eat. Like, let's just go to the gym. Here, I have water for you. Just drink on this. Why don't you go hang out with your friends? Oh, I forgot. I'm your only friend, right? You have no friends.
Hey yo, people get confused by the sound of your voice because it doesn't match how you look. Check. Oh my god, hi.
It's me, bro. Yo, what the fuck? Kyle, where'd you eat at? Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck are you doing, bro? What? What are you watching? What are you looking at? I wanna see.
chill out, bro. Oh my fucking god. Yo, where are we going after this?
I don't know, bro.
Wait, where's your what?
Kyle, isn't that your crush?
Yo, oh, it is. It
Dude,
is.
haven't you liked this since like second grade?
Yeah, yeah. Be quiet though. Be quiet. Don't make it obvious. Don't make it obvious.
Kyle,
Yo, stop. Chicho, stop.
Kyle's
Chicho,
saying.
stop.
Kyle, did you just make 10K on Kalshi?
Yes, bro. Be quiet. Stop,
you don't know
bro.
you made 10K
No,
on
I don't
Kalshi.
care. Be quiet. Don't make it obvious. Bro, come on,
What's your
dude.
name again?
Jennifer.
Jennifer.
Yo, shh.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, Mom! See you again tomorrow! Ito mo na,
I'll see you again tomorrow. Eh, hindi pa naman nagsisimula ang ating class. Sige, bebeng. Magre-recitation tayo. Madali lang to. Math situation, addition lang gagawin. Kapag binigyan ka ng nanay mo ng 2 tsikulet at binigyan naman kita ng 3 tsikulet, ilan lahat ng tsikulet mo?
6 po! Anong 6? Eh, may isa pa po kasi ako sa bag eh. Sabi niyo po kasi pag plus lahat ng chikulit eh. Kaya 6.
Saglit! Tatawagan ko yung nanay mo at isusumbong talaga
Eh,
kita.
ma'am, wag po.
Pinapataas mo yung high blood ko. Hello po, nanay.
Oh, ma'am, napatawag po kayo.
Ay, gusto ko lang po sanang sabihin na itong anak niyong si Bebeng ay... Wala ka ng load. Kaka-cellphone mo yan. Nawala. Wala ng load? Agad-agad?
Ay, kawawa ka naman po pala, ma'am. Wala ka pong load. Ito po, gamitin niyo muna yung cellphone ni tatay. Sabi niya po, naka-all access plus 99 po siya sa TNT na may 5 gig data na only calls and text to all. Valid for 15 days.
Ay, sosyal. Sige, tatawagan ko nanay mo. Si Darling. Hello. Hello, darling. Hindi mo ba pinakain yung manok? Ay, mother. Ito po yung teacher ni Bebeng. Bakit nasa inyo po yung cellphone ng asawa ko? Dala po ng anak nyo. Pinahiram sa akin at naubusan ako ng load. Gusto ko po sanang sabihin sa inyo na ang ganda naman ng load na to. Yung all access plus 99 ng TNT. Ay, oo ma'am. Kaya bumili ka na rin ng TNT SIM at mag-load ka na sa mga suking tindahan. Pwede rin sa Smart Up, e-wallet, or dial star 123#. Ay, sure, nanay. Sulit talaga dyan sa TNT dahil may all access plus 99 na kumpleto na pang matagalan pa. Sige na. Teka. Saan na nga tayo ulit?
Ma'am, uwian na po.
Okay, sige. Class, dismiss.
Kyle, look over there.
What? What are you doing? You're grown.
I was trying to tickle you.
Yo, Jason, we're at the vineyard. Do you still want to check it out?
Yeah, sure, whatever. I don't care.
What?
We're already here. Might as well.
What? Yo, Jason, the vineyard's cool, huh?
I mean, it's cool, but do you actually think I'm annoying, Kyle?
Jason, are we still gonna eat after this?
No, bro. Like,
What?
I'm annoying, right? Like, am I actually annoying to you?
Bro.
I should just go home and be annoying. You could be real and tell me if I'm annoying. Cause
Bro.
I'm annoying, right?
Dude.
Yeah, I'm going home.
Yo, I'm sorry, Jason. Did I hurt your feelings earlier?
No, it's okay, Kyle. Like, I was just being sensitive. Am I really annoying, though? Kyle, the girl you're eating dinner with last night, is that your girlfriend?
Yeah.
You guys are dating?
Yeah. She's good looking, huh?
Ugliest fucking
What?
girl I've ever seen.
What?
Bro, no one else is gonna tell you this but me. I'm just trying to be honest with you.
Bro.
Dude, she's lead but ugly.
Bro, we're about to get
You need
married,
no, you
bro.
need to break it off, break it off.
Bro, I got a promotion for $30 an hour. Let's go!
$30 an hour?
Yeah!
You know you're still broke after taxes?
Bro, what?
Dude, I'm just trying to be honest. I'm a real friend. I just want to be honest with you.
What the fuck are you wearing?
Bro, you look so ugly. Bro, change that
Bro,
right now.
what?
Don't change, bro. You're ugly. Bro. Kyle, are you done?
Yeah, I'm almost done. Hey, do I look skinnier though, bro?
Kyle, you're always fat, bro. No
What?
matter how much you run, you look fat as fuck.
Bro,
Stop
what are
running,
you
bro.
saying?
Let's go, bro. I'm hungry.
You want me to stop working out?
Yes, let's
Bro,
go. I'm
you're
hungry.
fat, bro. Why are you so mean to me?
Bro, I'm just being honest with you.
No, you're
I'm a real
not.
friend.
No, you're being mean for no reason, bro.
O conselho do dia é: antes de iniciar um projeto, veja se tem recursos disponíveis.
Dad, the tooth fairy didn't come last night.
Oh, son, I'm sorry. He's a busy man, though.
Oh, come on, son, don't cry.
No! No! What are you doing?
Te, bagsak na yung face card mo.
Face na ba yan?
Wow! Hiyang-hiya.
Sorry. Kasi, hindi ako makatulog. Kasi stress pa ako kay Crush. Hindi ba pwedeng mag-drop na lang tapos magsama na lang kaming dalawa?
Baliw.
Alam niyo, ang dami ko na ring tigyawat. Ito si Mark, si Dave, si John Paul.
Isisi niyo pa talaga sa mga crush niyo yung pagtubo ng sumpa sa mga fest niyo?
Eh, saan ba dapat isisi?
Oo, eh di sa hindi niyo pagtulong. Hindi niyo ako gayahin. Hindi yung puro isip kayo sa mga crush niyo, eh hindi naman kayo pinapansin.
Aray! Eh, di ikaw na yung fresh, siya ka maganda. Eh, siya naman talaga kasi best. Tignan mo nga itong mga itsura natin.
Pero don't worry. May gift ako sa inyo. Ito yung Nighty Bright ng New Moon. Mapapaganda niyo yung quality ng sleep niyo. At alam niyo naman, kapag may magandang sleep, may magandang fest. Lalo na, may ashwagandha ito at collagen na pwedeng makatulong sa pag-repair ng skin natin overnight. Kaya super calm lang ng fest. Fresh pa rin kahit stress dahil namamanage ko yan sa tulong ng Nighty Bright. Thank you, Bes. Hindi siya pasabog.
Ay, nakakahiya naman.
Dito ka sa green flag. Ano yan, gayuma? Salte ko, ayaw ko na. Paano na naman?
Si Mark, hindi ko na kaya yung ugali niya, te.
Hasas, nasabi mo na rin yan. Pero matapos kong mag-advise ng bonggang-bongga, ang ending, kayo pa rin.
Iba kasi yung ngayon, te. Alam ko na red flag si Mark.
Ayan, kasi lagi ko na lang sinasabi, lagi ko na lang pinapayo sa'yo na hiwalayan mo yan si Mark dahil hindi ka nga niya mahal.
Tapos sinabi niya pa sa akin kanina, sobrang sakit. Ang dry daw ng skin ko.
Anong sabi niya? May sumpay ang skin mo?
Te, mas malala pa yung sinabi mo kaysa sa sinabi niya.
Ay, basta, layuan mo yan si Mark. Dahil red flag yan. Dito ka sa green flag. Ano yan, gayuma? Soft glow to. Mag-take ka nito araw-araw. Alam mo, te, S-acetyl glutathione to, tapos very affordable. Tapos 5 times more effective to brighten your skin. May collagen, may vitamin C, tapos zinc. Tapos oral sunblock na rin siya. O, ito i-gift ko na to sa'yo, basta layuan mo lang niyang si Mark.
Bes, alam mo, effective talaga siya. Kaya lagi talaga ako nakikinig sa payo mo eh.
This is good. Where did you say you got this from?
So, you get underneath the cow.
What?
And like those dangly things underneath the cow, you just squeeze them and milk them and pinch them. What?
That looks good.
You want some?
No, that's all right.
Alright, countries, if it were cold outside, what would you wear? What's cold? I've never heard of it before. Yeah, same. It must be some kind of new word or something. I would probably wear like a winter jacket, maybe some boots, maybe a hat. Okay, so cold. How cold are we talking? Let's just say negative 11 degrees Celsius, which is about like 12 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh, come on. I thought we were talking cold weather. And maybe like a tank top or something?
Kyle, look over there.
Whoa. What are you doing?
What?
You're grown.
I was trying to tickle you.
Yo, Jason, we're at the vineyard. Do you still want to check it out?
Yeah, sure, whatever. I don't care.
What?
We're already here. Might as well.
What? Yo, Jason, the vineyard's cool, huh?
I mean, it's cool, but do you actually think I'm annoying, Kyle?
Jason, are we still gonna eat after this?
No, bro. Like,
What?
I'm annoying, right? Like, am I actually annoying to you?
Bro.
I should just go home and be annoying. You could be real and tell me if I'm annoying. Cause
Bro.
I'm annoying, right?
Dude.
Yeah, I'm going home.
Yo, I'm sorry, Jason. Did I hurt your feelings earlier?
No, it's okay, Kyle. Like, I was just being sensitive. Am I really annoying though?
Yo, where are we going after this?
I don't know, bro.
Wait, where's your... What?
Kyle, isn't that your crush?
Yo, oh, it is,
Dude, haven't you liked this since like second grade?
Yeah, be quiet, though, be quiet. Don't make it obvious, don't make it obvious.
Kyle.
Yo, stop! Chicho, stop!
Kyle's
Chicho,
saying.
stop!
Kyle, did you just make 10K on Kalshi?
Yes, bro, be quiet, stop,
you don't know
bro.
you made 10K
No,
on
I don't
Kalshi.
care, be quiet. Don't make it obvious. Bro, come on,
What's her
dude.
name again?
Jennifer.
Jennifer.
Yo, shh!
Go! Dating gawi! Ako sa CR! Ako sa kantin! Ang bibilhin ko? I-check mo muna! Ibas mo ah! Okay, bilis!
Wala ba kayong klase?
Secret! OMG, te!
Nahuli ako ni guard.
Hala!
Ano yan?
Abas po! Kausap ko po kasing classmate ko kahit malayo. O, di ba perfect? Lalo na kapag may ka-LDR. Angas, di ba?
Oo nga, no. Willis! Di ba't estudyante ka ni Ma'am Roan?
Uy, ba't mo po alam?
Crush niya! Tumakas ka, no? Halika! I-report kita sa teacher mo.
Hala! Te! Dali! I-report na tawa ko! Pupunta na kami sa room. Bilisan mo!
Okay, bring 1/4 sheet of paper. Mag-quiz tayo.
Ma'am, 1/4?
Love. Ma'am.
Nadulas?
Itong student mo, ma'am, parang tumakas yata sa klase mo.
Sas! Kunwari, i-report ako pero gusto lang talaga makita si ma'am.
Ikaw, inililis mo talaga yung usapan. Di ba bawal din mag-cellphone? Pero ang ganda ng app na gamit mo kanina.
Aba, syempre po, kasi naka-bus ako. Sa bus, feel na feel mo ang voice ni ma'am. Autoplay ang voice messages, kaya maririnig mo pa rin anytime, anywhere! Wow! Wow! Panis!
May quiet mode din naman para kapag busy ka o kaya bawal ang mag-ingay. At ang mas maangas, may voice emoji rin para marinig ang feelings niyo through voice emoji. O, di ba? Para na rin kayo magkasama kahit malayo kayo sa isa't isa.
Mag-bus up na rin kami. Download natin mamaya, love, ha? Ma'am pala.
Download the app now!
This is good. Where did you say you got this from?
So, you get underneath the cow.
What?
And like those dangly things underneath the cow, you just squeeze them and milk them and pinch them.
What?
Dad, the tooth fairy didn't come last night.
Oh, son, I'm sorry. He's a busy man, though. Oh, come on, son, don't cry. No! No! What are you doing?
Hi, babe, I'm home.
Whoa, what are you doing?
Just wanted to give you a hug.
No, you know this. We only hug on weekends. We don't touch each other Monday through Friday. You know this. I'm claustrophobic. Don't touch, okay? It's Tuesday.
What? Babe, let's go do something.
Bro, I'm shopping Kalshi right now. Why are you bothering?
You're always on your phone. Can you pay attention to me?
You always want attention. You want attention 24/7. Dude, I just lost because of you. It's all your fault.
I'm hungry. Can we get some food?
Food again? Bro, you're always trying to eat. Like, let's just go to the gym. Here, I have water for you. Just drink on this. Why don't you go hang out with your friends? Oh, I forgot. I'm your only friend, right? You have no friends.
Coming out with us tonight.
No, I don't really want to.
Okay, I'm gonna tell the whole school you're a nerd and a
why?
loser.
What?
And I'm gonna tell Natalie not to go to prom with you.
No, okay, I'll go.
Okay, that's what I thought. Coming out with us tonight.
No, I have a lot of homework
You're so
tonight.
lame now. Fine.
Okay, fine, I'll go.
Okay, that's what I thought. Let's go.
Mga ante! Ano na? Gusto niyo ba mag-set tayo ng Christmas party? Ay, sige. Planuhin na natin ang sharing. Ay, sige! Ako na sa asado, minudo, mensado, adobo, at saka lechon! Christmas party, hindi fiesta! Sige na, ako na sa handa. Spaghetti, macaroni, sampelot, palabok, inangit. Oh, sa akin na yan. Nakaka-pressure naman kayo. Oh, ikaw, ante. Anong ambag mo? Eto, ganda lang. Ante! Ah, Pero in fairness, ang fresh mo lately. Lately? Alam nyo kasi.
Nagpapaturok kasi siya. Pa-facial, pa-salon-salon.
Uy, grabe ka naman. Totoo ba?
Hindi.
Siyempre, no? Baka yung pera niya dyan lang napupunta sa pampaganda
May
niya.
galit
ka ba sa akin? Ano, fight tayo dito? Magsitigil nga kayo! Love tayo dito, hindi fight! Eto kasi, nung pinagsasabing turok, facial, salon-salon, eme. Di ba pwedeng nagtitake lang ng soft glow? Ay, soft glow! Yan yung very affordable na S-acetyl glutathione, di ba? Oo, yun! Oral sunblock ko na rin yun. Tapos may collagen, sodium ascorbate, tapos zinc. Kaya pala kitang-kita sa'yo yung glow. Naku, super effective. Hiyang ng skin ko. Ay, go! Sige, tatry ko na rin yan. Ito, advance Christmas gift ko na sa'yo. Ayan lahat, totoo ba? Thank you! Paano ako?
Che! Bumili ka lang sa'yo.